Good morning, children. In this session, we are going to study about how to find the speed when they given the distance and the time. In our first problem, they given the distance is equal to 80 kilometer and time is equal to 2 hours. How do you find? Already you know the speed formula is speed is equal to distance divided by time. So how much distance they given here? 80 kilometer divided by the time is 2 hours. The unit also you have to write, children. Now you need to divide 80 divided by 2. So the both the table, both the numerator and the denominator can divide by 2. Because in one's place you have 0, that should be divided by 2. So 1, 2 is 2 and 1, how many times 2 in 8? 4 times, 0, remaining 0 here. So I write down here. Now I get the value 40. In a denominator you have 1. So leave it 40. What unit you have? Kilometer per hour. That means divided. So that divided by I write down here hours. So this is your answer. You can divide like this or else as usual you follow the divisor, the divisor and dividend. How many times 2 in 8? 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. So first digit alone you take. Your divisor is 2. Compare the divisor and dividend. The divisor should less than the dividend. So you can divide. How many times 2 in 8? 4 times. So I write down 4. 4 2s are 8. Division is repeated subtraction. I put subtraction symbol here. So 8 minus 8, 0. Next bring down 0. So what it is? This is quotient. This is remainder. So instead of here you bring down 0, you know, children, that is not divided by 2. So I put 0 here. So your quotient is 40 and divide and the remainder is 0. One more time I repeat, children. You bring down the 0 here. This is doesn't divide by 2. So only you put 0 here. So you get quotient 40. That is our answer. 40 kilometer per hour. So how do you write? Speed is equal to 40 kilometer per hour is your answer. Children, our second problem is distance is equal to 75 meter and time is equal to 3 seconds. So here meter means seconds. The solution, the speed is equal to distance divided by time. So our distance here 75 meter. The time is 3 seconds. So you see in your denominator you have 3. So you check 75 is divided by 3 or not. So it should divide by 3. So you got 1, 3 is 3. The first digit, how many times 3 in 7? 1, 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Here you have 7. So how many times, children? 2 3s are 6. 6. So 2 times children, you strike out. Remaining you have 1. So you put the 1, the next digit together. How much you get now? This 10's place, so give 110 means 10 plus 5, 15. Now you get 15. So how many times 15? How many times 3 in 15? 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So how many times children? 5 times. So how much in numerator you get 25 and denominator 1. So how much you get? 25 meter per second. So one more method. The dividend and divisor you take like the divisor is 3 and dividend 75. The first both are 1 digit and the divisor is less than the dividend, so you can divide easily. How many times? 3 in 7. Here 3 3s are 9, but we have below 9 only. So how many times? 2 3s are 6. So 2 times 6. The division is the repeated subtraction. So 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down 5. Now you get the dividend is 15. Next to children. How many times? 3 in 15. You check. 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So how many times? 5 times. So 5 3s are 15. Subtract. What you get? 0. So your quotient is 25 and your remainder is 0. So children, how can you write your answer? Answer, the speed is nothing but is equal to how much children? 25 meter per seconds. You should write the unit also. The second should come in denominator only. In numerator, the meter has come. So meter per second. That is very important. Children, in this session, you study about how to find the speed when they given the distance and the time. I hope you all learn well. Thank you, children.